ready to explore. Learning's fun and so much more. With my bright friends by my side, let's enjoy this wondrous ride. Lumi the light prism, I split the light into a brilliant show. Rainbows appear wherever I glow, with colors dancing fast and slow. Every hue tells a tale, you know. Ferno the flame guardian, my warm energy glows so bright. I light up darkness with golden light. Learning of fire and warmth so right, I feel the spark of knowledge take flight. Breezy the wind dancer, I twirl and swirl with playful light, bringing cool breezes both day and night. With petals and leaves I gently sway, nature's wonder grows in every way. Wind and flowers in a vibrant display teach us about nature as we laugh and play. Rocko the rolling boulder, deep in the earth I stand so strong, rocking history in stories long. I fall from clouds in glistening streams, bringing life like in your sweetest dreams. Rocks and rain remind us all the earth is wondrous, big and small. Echo the sound maker, listen up, my sound will bounce around. From valley to hill, hear the magic sound. Every echo, every joyful tone helps us learn and feel less alone. So the tech butters at my core, I bring smart learning and so much more. Swiping through knowledge at lightning speed, technology helps us all to succeed. Gigi the Galactic Navigator, I guide you through the starry night. Planets and comets shine so bright. Space adventures make my heart soar, learning of galaxies and so much more. Quill the clever pet, I record tales that come alive, stories and poems that make us thrive. With every word that leaps and flies, creativity and wisdom rise. Noah and the bright bunch come along, learning and singing in our joyful song. Together we explore, we laugh, we grow, in every bright lesson that we know. Thank you friends, our adventure's grand, let's keep discovering hand in hand.